starting off with 1 bag of frozen meatballs. Now I'm coming in with my Prego marinara, and we're just gonna drizzle this right in here. You can use whatever marinara you like. I just chose Prego today because it is a more affordable option, and with the prices on groceries, that is what I need. Okay, so this is a 40 ounce and I only used half of this, so 20 ounces of marinara right into your crock pot. Now I'm gonna grab my beef broth, and we are gonna put a generous amount of beef broth right in there with our meatballs and our marinara. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious crock pot dinner. Okay, so I'm gonna use about half of this box, which is 2 cups of beef broth. Now I'm gonna season it a little bit. I have some black pepper here, but you can season this however you like. Just get a nice sprinkle in there, make sure that everything gets a good seasoning. And then of course, I'm gonna do some garlic powder because who doesn't love garlic? It smells so good already. I love these seasonings. They are my go-to. And then lastly, I'm gonna do some Italian seasoning in there. Okay, I'm gonna be super generous with my Italian seasoning because it has all the good stuff in it. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and give this a nice little mix. Get that marinara and beef broth well combined. Get those meatballs covered and seasoned. Now this is not the whole recipe, but we are gonna get our crock pot started so that these meatballs can warm up and then we can continue with our recipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my lid and we are gonna pop this on high. All right, so it's been 1 hour on high. Let's check out these meatballs. Ooh, they smell delicious. Let's give it a nice stir. But now it is time to add my favorite part, and that is gonna be some 3 cheese tortellini. And we are putting this straight out of the package into our crock pot. Woo! And we're gonna let that cook in the crock pot. Let's get that nice and covered. So it's a tortellini meatball dinner in our crock pot. It's gonna be so yummy. This is one of my favorite dinners to make on a quick weekday night. It's just a few ingredients and it is delicious. Okay, let's make sure this is all mixed nice. All right. So we didn't want to put the pasta in there with the meatballs because they would get overcooked, but now is the perfect time to add them. We're gonna put our lid back on and we're gonna keep it on high for 1 more hour. All right, let's go ahead and check this out. Ooh, so 2 hours on high for the meatballs, 1 hour on high when you add the tortellini. Oh my goodness. So, but 2 hours total. Sorry, that was kind of confusing. Look how good this looks.
Extra steamy.
Okay, it is time to serve this up. Got my bowl and my fork. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be delicious. Get 1 more meatball. Yummy. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of Italian cheese, and this is gonna melt right on top. This is optional, obviously. You don't need to add the additional cheese because we did use the 3 cheese tortellini. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my gosh, the tortellini is cooked perfectly. I'm so excited.
Is it good?
That is so delicious. You guys have got to try this.